You did grocery for your home to save money, but still you're eating too much. What's the fix? So you bought food from outside, you eat outside, then you're exhausted, then you got in debt, your credit card is maxed out because you've been eating 3 sushi per week, right? Thai food, Nepali food, Hispanic, Chinese, Korean food, all of this restaurant you ate. And let's just say, who's this flashing lights? Somebody's flashing lights. Oh, I see. Example, you are spending lunch, let's say lunch and dinner. You're spending $13. $13 you're spending on lunch and dinner. $13. You're spending $13 outside food. And that food is really like amazing. Why this guy is flashing light on my face, dude? What's up with that? All right, spending this much money. Then you did grocery to stay home and eat home. It could be even microwavable food, right? It could be anything. And guess what? The moment you came home, by putting all this grocery in, you are constantly eating. You're constantly eating, and the excuse are this. Let's say you bought mango, right? You love mango. You bought mango, you try to replace ice cream with like yogurt, stuff like that, right? When you put the yogurt on the fridge, you took it out and you started eating, then you ate mango, then you ate orange. That's already $8 right there. A lot of people, they try to use the excuse of saving money. They end up like spending. Why is that? Why you keep eating like that? If you spend $13 outside for one meal, and if you end up eating 2 microwavable food with the mango and a yogurt, that's already $14. That's no equal. That's way more than that. You know, you're just eating a little bit processed and chemicalized food, then somebody's cooking it for you. The reason you do this because we humans, we've been engineered as constantly spend and eat and oversleep. That's it. There's no balancing. When you have money, you're gonna constantly waste investment. Like you're gonna constantly wasting money. You get it? When you have money. When you have a lot of food, and if you have food inside your fridge, you're not gonna give yourself a break. You're gonna be constantly eating. So what's the solution? You wanna cut it down. If you're one of the type of person who constantly eating, you wanna eat that one and then just drink the rest is water. And you will see how fulfilled you feel. And it's not about buying food at home and eating outside, and eating home gonna save you a lot of money. It's not even that. It's also about you have to have your mental calculator. You're gonna have to have a mental calculator like, listen, I need this much food I'm gonna be eating. I know I want to eat more because I don't want to do my homework. I don't want to do my editing. I don't want to do TikTok. So now it's telling me to eat this, make coffee. In the middle of 9 p.m. it's telling you to drink coffee even though you just finished your dinner. Why? Because this is your mental training that your mind knows that when you do work, you have to constantly drink or consume something. That's how your mind remembers. So you don't drink coffee. You can replace that with water. This is the hack I want to tell you. If you feel like you want to constantly eat it, you're not gonna eat anything heavy. This is the hack I wanted to tell you. You're gonna drink green tea at nighttime, okay? Caffeine free. You're gonna drink green tea at nighttime if it tells you to eat it, or say, hey, let me go to even though I did a grocery at home, even though I bought coffee at home to save money to avoid Starbucks, let me still go get a Starbucks extra small coffee, you know? If it tells you like that, I need you to make a green tea and constantly putting hot water to make it bigger, drink it. If it go lower, then put more hot water, and it trains your mind that, you know what? Instead of beer, you're drinking tea, or instead of hot coffee, you're drinking hot tea. It trains your mind. Even if you don't want to drink tea and you're like, yo, I don't like green tea, the taste of it, you don't like it, ridiculous, then drink water. Constantly drink water. Have a big glass, but make sure you don't get up from your chair. Make sure you don't get up from your chair. Make sure you don't go to YouTube. Make sure you don't check your social media. That's how you train your mind to discipline. It's like somebody put a chain on you to not to distract yourself. This is very important, my friend, especially if your mind is constantly like this. All you're doing is from this to this. And then 1 month later or 2 weeks later, it's gonna go like this. 3 months later, it's gonna become like this. Then you're gonna see you're gonna get so much more things done. Buying food for in home to save money still does not make sense if you're constantly eating, right? If you're constantly popping ice cream, constantly popping beers, no, you're gonna have to have a mental calculator. Like, listen, I just ate one. It's like a lean, like, you know, like the lean food, the small boxes. Microwavable foods are so small. It never makes you fills up, right? You're trained to be filled up. You know, $5 fill up by KFC. more food, right? Those lean cuisine are lean products. So if you want to eat one and train your brain like, yo, I want to eat more, but I don't want to eat it, you're training your brain. That's how you become rich, my friend. So stop constantly eat, and discipline yourself and talk to yourself like, listen, I'm not going to do this. All right? You can only eat one. And if it really tells you to eat, then keep eating apples. Watch what happened to your mind. Press the like and subscribe. Check the bio. Look for a description. Share this please to your page. Who don't want to share a video where a cute guy is talking? Come on, you want to share this. Press the like button too. Over.